Hello there, ICS3C folks. This is our first day on JavaScript, and for the most part, I'm going to let you play around with the Code Academy site. This is the Code Academy site, and that's where you're going to click. A few things I want to mention that, well, for one thing, it's going to take you a lot more than 10 hours to do this. Uh, Not only because I think they underestimate how long it takes to do these exercises, but I will be stopping you and bugging you to do notes and exercises and programming assignments and quizzes and warm-ups and all those things. But that's where you're going to get started. Um, I want to give you a couple warnings. First of all, this first one, there's two things about it. First of all, it starts off where it's not really JavaScript code. It's just you sort of goofing around with getting the computer to do stuff, and it's not really JavaScript. So I want to warn you about that. It starts slow. Uh, the second thing I want to warn you about is this first lesson has a whole bunch of stuff in it, and if you're worried about losing track, don't worry. We will do a note. There'll be a note after this, but I do want to get you a chance to do spend a class or so getting used to JavaScript. The other thing I want to mention in this first little encouragement video is that on Edmodo, on our site, if you click in the folders, there is a spot, textbooks, where it has, well, there's an HTML and CSS textbook. I don't know if you've ever looked at that. There are two JavaScript textbooks. This is kind of like the big fat version, and this is the small definitive guide version. That if there's something specific you want to look up in JavaScript and you're getting lost by Googling it, then there are textbooks that are online there for you to use. Okay, have fun with your Code Academy. Make sure if there's something that you're not understanding, you stop and ask. These first steps are very important for you to understand. All right, have fun.